Guess what we got? Unboxing time! We got the S9, baby. Santa came early. Got the DeX station. And we got a 128 gigabyte storage. Woo! Man, I've been walking back and forth through the mailbox waiting for this bad boy. Let's go! Let's go, baby! Alright, starting off, this is the S9, Galaxy S9 from Samsung. This is the latest and greatest from the Galaxy lineup. Got the 128 gigabyte version from Samsung. They were doing a trade-in special, so figured I'll cash in on that. So here's what's inside the box. Alright. If you know the Galaxy lineup, or if you're curious about this, you probably know the specs. This is top-end flagship, so it's going to have all the bells and whistles and all the positives that you have with other smartphone devices, top-end smartphone devices. And it's going to have some unique features that some of the other devices do not have. So I've owned some Samsung devices in the past. They've been alright, but with the S9 I was very curious about this just because of how well they've come about. So right here you've got your guides, some ejection tool. Oh man, and right here is the showstopper. This is what we came for, right? The Galaxy S9. Let's take it out. Oh yeah, I've got the lilac purple, aka the Hakaishin. If you watch some Dragon Ball Super, you know what that is. Man, this looks good. Fast charger, whatever that is. You've got your charging cable, my USB Type-C, headphones right here, AKG tune, and you also have your earbuds replacements. See how these headphones look. Braided cable, they look pretty chill. I've had one of these in the past. The fit's not the best, but hey, it's free, so why not? Let's get all this stuff out the way. Let's take this out. Sounds good. Turn that on. Man, you know what? When people say the device feels good, this device feels good. Like, there's a nice heft to it. Feels solid. On the back, I went with the regular S9 version, single lens camera, but you can have the dual lens system with the S9 Plus. I don't like overly big phones because I don't want to be doing all this acrobatics with my finger. So with this, I can easily reach the different corners and hold this comfortably. Fingerprint right there. No rocking. Everything is flat, flush on the back, so you don't have any raising on the back from the camera bump. It looks good, man. It looks good. Now, people say this is a fingerprint magnet, but to be honest, I'm touching it as you're seeing and moving it around, and not a lot of fingerprints on there yet. I'm sure that will change the more I use it, but yeah, loving it so far. So with this, I'll be making some other videos, and I'll essentially talk about why I chose this device over some of the other devices that are out there. I'll also talk about some features on here, how I'm using it, and we'll go from there and see if there's anything you guys want me to go over specifically. I can do that. But yeah, there's a lot of reviews online, so you can go on there and see what for yourself, what's out there. So I'm gonna play around with this, set up my stuff, and you know, we'll chat later.